Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually currently sitting on my ground, my beauty room at the moment, but I decided to film this video for you guys where I'll be trying out 5 products for you guys right now for you guys, and I decided to do it like in a different way rather than just sitting down on my chair in front of my camera, my tripod and film. But I decided to just maybe have my camera handheld like this and then just do reviews here and there, because like the products they sent me, they're all very different. Most of them, 3 of them are actually skincare and 2 of them are makeup. So we'll probably start off with the skincare first. So the first product we're gonna try is this P Rem cleansing foam. So this is like a relief moisture cleansing foam and have a pH of 5.5, so pretty low. So what we're gonna do before I continue reviewing these, I will be going to my bathroom now, set it up, and then we're gonna try this cleansing foam. So I'm in my bathroom now, we're gonna try this out, but I've decided to search it up to see more information, because on the bottle, on the box itself, it says that it's low irritant, it has weak acid foam cleanser, so it's 5.5. If you realize that I'm losing my breath because I'm really sick, but I really want to film this for you guys. Since I'm at home, we might as well chill and film a video and try things out, you know. But yeah, so it's supposed to actually remove any like excess makeup that you have on your face as well. It's supposed to remove any dead skin cells, supposed to cleanse your space if you have irritated skin, which is me. My skin has gone better, which is good, but it hasn't been the best for a while now. But it also has different kind of skin soothing agent and hydrating agents such as raspberries extract. I'm trying to see if it's on the box. So on the box it says that it has, oh yeah, fruit extract, raspberry, and it has glycerin, coconut extract and lavender extract to restore the balance of the skin. And apparently this is supposed to be quite foamy and moisturizing too. So the bottle comes like this. The size for this is 150 ml, and let's smell this. So I have to remove the cap because there's this cover here. My nose is like so blocked, but let me try and smell it. I can smell a hint of coconut, but I can also smell something like tea tree, but I feel like it's not. And I can't really smell the raspberry at the moment, but let's just try it out. So apparently you're supposed to just put some on your skin. So it's definitely a very thick texture, but it's like a pearl look as well, and you're supposed to just rub it. Not really foamy for me, maybe because I haven't added water, but yeah, definitely can smell the coconut and definitely can't really smell the raspberry. I'm gonna try to add a little bit water to see if it foams up. So it doesn't really foam up, maybe because the texture is quite thick. So let's just try. I'm using like the okay, let's try to put more water because I feel like I might have added a bit too much. Alright, now it's actually foaming up. Here we go. So I would recommend to actually mix this with water for it to get foamy. It definitely feels very soft on the skin. I still have my eyelash extension, which is quite annoying sometimes because then I have to go like this to like cleanse my face because you can't really touch it with like stuff, and then once you wet it, it takes a while to actually dries up and then the lashes will like stick together. But yeah, I think that's enough rubbing, so I'm gonna wash it off now with lukewarm water. Alright, so I am done. My skin didn't flare out, which is great. My nose is already red from my cold, but I like how it didn't really irritate my skin at all, because sometimes when you cleanse your face or like you rub your face, if you have like irritating skin, it like flares up. But no redness, feels really soft on the skin, which is really nice. So I'll definitely try this again, and I would also probably try it again like if I have like my makeup on and then when I remove my makeup, so using like a double cleanse method to see how good it is. But yeah, so far I'm pretty impressed with it. Now another one I'm gonna try, the second product is this from Neogen, and this is a collaboration with Joan. So she's actually a YouTuber and I follow her a lot for like my skincare products, and I think because of her it just got me way more interested in like Korean skincare. So she released this like probably like a few months ago now, but I never really gotten around to trying it, but I just have a feeling that it will be good because I know she put so much thought into this. So I'm gonna put my camera down so I can talk. Okay, this is another angle, guys, but yeah, so the bottle is like this. It's actually quite big. The reason why is the size is because it's actually a 2-in-1 product. So when you actually open it up, it has this day and it has like a night and it has like a spatula. So I'll open up for you guys to show you guys the color, which I thought was very fascinating. The green one right here is actually the day one, and you can see the texture is actually completely different. This looks more creamy than that one. That one looks more like a water base. But anyway, focus on the day one first. The day one has green tea extract and it also has vitamin C, I think. Yeah, so both just helps to revitalize the skin, help to moisturize and hydrate your skin all day long. And then at night, the purple one is actually a sleeping pack, which I thought was actually pretty smart of her to do that, because if you put day and night, different cream is sort of like similar, but I guess this one is a sleeping pack. And supposedly it has like lavender oil, which I can definitely smell, and also have vitamin E, so it just helps to hydrate and moisturize and nourish your skin as well all night long. And also the lavender oil is supposed to help you sleep better. Now the lavender oil one, I've actually been using it for a few days now and I've been getting really good sleep, and because I'm sick, this probably helped a lot better with like my senses and stuff when I sleep. Like my nose is not that blocked when I sleep, if that makes sense. Like my nose right now is much more blocked than at night. But so now it's actually daytime, so I will be using the green one. So the green one, the texture is actually really thick. I would only use a little bit because my skin do get quite oily during the day, and this is actually also good for under the makeup because this is actually a green color. Now if you don't know the green corrector or concealer, it helps to like just lessen your redness when you actually put like foundation on. So actually having this underneath makeup is actually pretty good. So we're back in my bathroom now to try the third product, and this is actually from the brand called YesStyle Cosmetics. Never heard of it before, but this is actually the lifting program pack. So it's supposed to help lift any of your double chin, help to firm your skin, help to help with your smile line as well. It just helps to tighten the bottom area here. Now I'm sure you guys know, if you have watched my video whatever, that I do have quite a bit of a double chin, especially on like my left angle. My right angle is not so bad, but my left is actually pretty bad, I feel. And like I recently got my wedding photos back and I can see a lot of like my double chin on my left side. I'm like I don't want double chin, but I know you can't really fix it sort of unless you lose more weight, and I've definitely lost a lot of weight, so my chin has gone quite sharper. But this one actually fascinates me, so we're definitely gonna give this a try. So apparently first you have like a facial mask here, so it says here, is it focusing? So it has like a step 1 and a step 2, so you're supposed to actually put this 2 on. Not sure what it smells like. It definitely smells like medicine. And if I can smell it, that means it's actually pretty strong. Let's see if it fits me. It wraps really nicely on the front of the face, but on the side it's quite big, so I just have to fold a little bit like this. Again, the mouthpiece is quite big as well, so I'm just gonna fold towards this way. I look like, yeah, okay. Okay, we got those. Alright, now we're gonna put the band on. So apparently the band has some kind of pressure points that helps to pressure on your skin to make it tighter somehow. So that's interesting. And this is it. Whoa. This is intense, guys. Look. It has like, can you see? It has the pressure points here. Can you see it? Oh wow. Okay. So it also have, I think, yeah, it says here that is the right and this is the left side. So that's supposed to go on my chin area. And then tighten me up. I'm gonna leave it for like 10 to 20 minutes and see what happens, but yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna take this off. So I realized with this, it does get quite sore at the back of the ear if you tighten it a little bit too much. So make sure that you're quite comfortable when you actually put this on. And I can see all the moisture going onto the was it the gel pack, so I'll definitely give this a rinse soon. But in regards of whether it feels anything different on my skin, it just feels like a sheet mask. Nothing was like warming up my face or anything. So I'm back in my beauty room now and I have two more products to try. So one is an eyeliner and one is a lipstick. So the eyeliner, this is from the brand Klavuu. I've never heard of this brand before, but this one apparently it's ultra slim gel pencil and it's supposed to be sweat and waterproof, which is very good. So this is in matte brown, so it's actually very tiny or like slim, so I have a feeling you might have to be very gentle with it. So yeah, definitely very slim. And I'm just gonna put it on. Whoa, it's very pigmented. Can you see? So let me try. Look at that. It's really dark. This kind of pencil, I usually prefer to just use it in my waterline or maybe like under the lower line. I don't usually use a pencil on the top of my eyes, and because this is slim, it's actually quite tricky to apply this on the top, especially when I have eyelash extension as well. So I would definitely use this on the waterline, but not currently. Definitely have to be careful with this because it is so slim, but I am very impressed how dark this particular color is. Last product is this brand Agatha, and it's just in a box like this. And Agatha, for me, I've heard of this brand when I got one of their jewelry, and it's like a ring, and this one actually has like a symbol of a doggy. Can you see? And the reason why I like Agatha is because of this little doggy right here. See? And I feel like it sort of matches with like the dog itself. She's a bit grumpy at the moment. Are you grumpy? You sleepy? But yeah, so I feel like it sort of like matches. They sort of like look the same. But yeah. So the one that I got, this is the Agatha Premium Lipstick, and it comes in 12 different colors. The one I got is called Elegance Rose, and I'm pretty sure it's the darkest in the collection. It is supposed to be pretty moisturizing and creamy and highly pigmented. And I just love the packaging. It just looks so luxurious. It's so pretty, and I'm sure on YesStyle they have like a few ranges, like different collection, and like some of it I think is like a keyring and like different design, but I like this one. It's very pretty, very gold looking. And this, oh, pull out the wrong side, but once you pull out, go out like this and a twist, and on the inside it even still has the dog picture inside. Can you see? Just love how detailed this is. So let's try this color out. I can smell like a rose scented smell on this. It reminds me of the rose serum that I received from them the last time, which is the Aromatica serum. Isn't it weird that this is called Elegance Rose and it smells like rose? Yeah, but it's very, very pigmented. It's not glossy, but you can see a little bit of shine. It's definitely very nice, and you can't really see any of my dry patches, but you can definitely tell that the packaging obviously is much more darker than the when I actually put it on. And I like that this particular lipstick, let's see if it zooms, can you see how it just curves? It actually wraps on your lip really nicely. I just like how it smells because I love rose scented smell, and this color is actually very beautiful. In regards of the longevity, I'm not sure, but I will put it down in the description box below for you guys to let you guys know how the longevity is like. I feel like I can pull this look off without makeup and just this lipstick, but yeah, very, very impressed. To wrap up this video, I wanted to do like a little summary. So out of all the 5, I do like 3 of the products. So the first one would definitely be the lipstick. I just love the color. I feel like it really complements my skin even though I'm not wearing any makeup, and I just like how pretty it is. And number 2, I also like the night cream, a day and night cream from Neogen collaboration with Joan. I feel like it is a really good cream, and I like how it's like a 2-in-1 and the effectiveness on the skin as well. So I would definitely be using that. It's already on my chest drawer, you know, to keep using it. And then I also like the cleansing foam. I was just very impressed with how gentle it is, and I just feel like it didn't make my skin flare up once I was done using it. It is great for those who have sensitive skin. Now in regards of the lifting program mask, the slimming one, I'm not sure whether it's effective or not because can you guys tell? I don't know. But yeah, I feel like there's something I would have to probably use for like 2 weeks straight to give you like a proper review. But I do have to say it was quite cool to actually put that band on, and just, yeah, that whole shebang is like completely different from what I usually do. But I would definitely use that again because there's no harm in just trying it out and just massaging your face. But if you guys want me to do like a proper thorough review on that particular product, definitely let me know and I'll go buy the 2 weeks worth of band to try it out. And then also in regards of the eyeliner, I definitely need to try again when I actually have a full makeup on to see how nice it is and how good it is on my waterline. But so far I'm actually very impressed with how it just glides on easily on my hand, and how this brown is so dark, because usually a brown like this, it may not be that dark, and this is definitely smudge proof right here. So yeah, I would probably presume that it is definitely waterproof as well. Like I'm actually rubbing it real hard and nothing. So definitely very impressed with this, but only wish like they have like a thicker version. Maybe they do, but I will definitely check out that brand to see what other options they have, because I am keen on trying like a liquid eyeliner version for my upper eye. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this video. It's not really like a vlog style, but it's more like, I guess, like chill with me, go around with me, and just trying different products on the day or like right now. But yeah, let me know how it goes. If you guys like me to just sit down properly on the chair and do a review, I'm more than happy to do it again. But I just wanted to try something different. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.